Right, guys, today what do we have here? uh we have a Toyota Tacoma V6 SR5. Yes, today I'm gonna be working on the chassis. Oh, you guys can see what the fault is all about. Can you see distance from here? Yeah, from here to here is differ. Can you see it? Yeah. And also working on fiber in the bed. You see it? It has already cracked there. The other side too. I really don't know what caused it, but I think the car has been overloaded before. Let's see. Do you see? They have even done a work on it before. Yep. I think the work is not fine. That's why the bumper is still looking down. So see the other side too. Hope you can see it right there. You see this? That's roadside work, man. That's where we'll be working on. I'll correct this and I'll work on the fiber bed. Yeah. I don't know how long it's gonna take me, but I have to bring what I need to bring down for me to get access to chassis. I'll correct it. Yeah, guys. So okay, guys, stay tuned. I'm about to drop the bed now. Yeah. How to draw the bed is pretty simple, very simple. You see, you're going to lose this airline key. Oh, see, you're going to lose 6 of it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's all. Then the tail light has to be come out before dropping it. So you lose 10mm here. You see, 1, 2. Don't lose the up one, lose the down one. Then the tail light will come out right out. Same thing for the other side. You don't need to worry about the tank. Just loosen up the cover and push the bed out, and you see it will come out right. Yeah, so you will get losing bed, you see. So I'm going to go and drop it at the back. So after dropping it, I'll bring back the car inside here to the normal position. So stay tuned. As I drop the bed, I'll get you guys back on. All right, guys, as you can see, I dropped the bed, and this way I'm going to work on. Hope you can see how I think this place was not level like the other side. I don't think it's supposed to be flush like this. It's supposed to be straight and well fixed, but it's okay. I'll take it to the other garage there. This is the backyard of us. I drop it here for we to have a lot of chance there. Yeah, so I'll do what I have to do and know what to do, then I'll get you guys back on. Thank you. Okay, guys, I find the fault. As you can see, the chassis is bent. Look at here. Okay, look at this side. Yes, it's bent. So I'm going to be removing the bumper, removing the extra tire, removing the spring, then straighten it up. After straightening it, then I will reinforce it from here to here. Yeah, I'm going to be reinforcing it so that you can take whatever thing they want to use it to carry. That's it. You can see it. You can see this level here. The chassis is supposed to be straight. Look at it. It's supposed to be straight like this. It's about 1 inch. Yes, lower. So I'm going to bring it back to life. So I'm losing the bumper now. So I'll lose everything. After losing everything, I'll get you guys back on. Guys, oh yeah, I finished straightening it. As you can see, look at the level now. It's so plump. And look at this one too. Yeah, look at this one too. It's plump. Yeah, probably the way it sits, that's why the little gap there. But you can see the difference compared to former side. So I cut some reinforcements here. Yeah, this plate will go like this. Then to cuff both the two sides, the same thing. I have my pieces here. All these pieces are going straight to the reinforcement. So I'm about to weld it now. So I say let me update you guys. So I'll be welding it now. After welding it, then I'll show you guys back on. Yes guys, I finally finished welding this chassis, as you can see. Yeah, that's how it look after the welding. So look at the other side, onto the downside. You can see the other side too. So I'm going to be cleaning it up and spray it. That's what's next now. So after spraying, I'm done with the chassis. Then I'll go back to the bed, the fiberglass things. And so I'll get you guys back on after cleaning up and spraying the chassis. Okay, yes guys, you can see how finished it is. Yes, I finish it up. Yeah, that's how far I go about it. So right now I'll be going for the belt. Yeah, the belt to go and see what I can do on it. Yeah, that's how it look. Okay, let's go there.